Hi ladies, it's your girl Kaniko Face Candy Studio back with another story time. Today I actually want to share an incident that happened the other day when one of my makeup artists went to do a bride's makeup for her wedding day. So she went and did her makeup trial weeks in advance and all was well in the world, at least that's what we all thought, until the makeup artist showed up at the hotel only for the bride to request a completely different makeup look. Now, of course, you're the bride, you get what you want, right? Right. However, this can be a recipe for disaster if you, the bride, who's watching this right now, is unsure as to how the change you're going to ask your makeup artist to make is going to look on you. So, while I will never ask you or even suggest that you do not change your makeup look if you really do want to make a change, what I would suggest is to go to a makeup counter and try out the change that you're going to ask for, because sometimes things that we see in a picture and how we visualize it in our head is completely different to how it actually looks at the end. And you do not want to be very unhappy with your makeup look, because after all, it is your wedding day, right? So try out the look. If you really want a different look than you had on your makeup trial, go to a makeup counter, try out the change so that when you get there on your wedding day, you can communicate exactly what it is that you want and be confident that you are going to like your look. And of course, if you could give your makeup artist a heads up as to the change that you want, that would also be helpful too. Because you wouldn't want your makeup artist to show up with a whole bunch of blue lipsticks, let's just say we have some bold brides, when you really want a red lip. Okay? I hope that was helpful, and until next time, stay beautiful. Mwah.